Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to insert a micro SD card at a Huawei P20 Lite. So first of all, we need next to the phone a pin to remove the SIM tray, and it is part of the box. You will remove it like that and pull it like that, and then you're able to remove the pin like this. Otherwise, you could use also a paper clip, so the edge of a paper clip. Okay, with the edge of that pin, you go in the small hole in here, so which one is on the side of the phone. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, always to take care that the SIM card doesn't jump really out. So if yes, put it back like this. So on the second position, you could enter the micro SD card. Be carefully that nothing jumps out, and has to look like this. So this fixed, and the contacts are below. If you have the dual SIM version, you have to decide between a second SIM card or a micro SD card, because it is the same position. So if you have the dual SIM version, you have to decide. Okay, that construction you put back into the phone. Be carefully that nothing jumps out, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a thumbs up or a nice comment. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, also I created also some other videos for the P20 Lite. If you're interested in, you can have a look also. Yeah, thank you so much for, and maybe until next time. Ciao.